Hey guys, today we will be doing an unboxing video showcasing two of our new vinyl designs. These vinyls are a little different than our typical vinyl because they are full body designs. The way this works is when ordering you let us know the year, make, and model of your car. When opening vinyl, there will be instructions at the very front of the vinyl. You will see them as soon as you start pulling them out. This design here is our red lightning fire pattern. The product number is VZV10862. Depending on what kind of design you got, you will see labels on the vinyl indicating where on the car they will go, as well as lines of where you want to cut out the pieces. You can then start wrapping the pieces to their designated areas. This is what the final product looks like once the installation is complete. Now we can move on to the next product. This vinyl design is called Dia de los Muertos. The product number is VZV10895. This vinyl was designed in-house by our production team, inspired by classic Day of the Dead imagery. Like the last product, you will find the instructions at the front of the vinyl. However, this one does not have designated areas to place the vinyl because of the more free-flowing nature of the design. If you have your own design or image you want to make vinyl out of, you can do that on our website using vector images. We will be coming out with a video soon that will go into more detail on how that process works, so stay tuned for more updates.